and I are having lunch at OEB. That's their logo if you don't know. And I'm confused about the cocks all over the place, but probably thinks it's meant to be a hen. Them they look like hen too. They look like cock to me. All of them look like a cock. And cock honey. Oh, you never know. Maybe they do. Jamaican store the other day, and now that I know how good it tastes, I got one. We're gonna be having this oil all the time. Know that I'm gonna say it tastes good. So I put it onto jar this morning, and now I'm gonna strain it and but make some with the red label wine and some without. I didn't put any ginger in there. I did not put any ginger in there or any pimento. I was distracted and I didn't put this in. So what do I do now? I put this in the jug, you know? I'm gonna put it in the jug. I'm gonna sit down, make the ginger. You don't want to sit down in it. I would have liked for it to boil. I prefer when it boils. So I normally boil the ginger and the pimento in the water and then add the sorrel. But I forgot to make fashion you know, because sorry for have ginger and the little piece of ginger we have spoiled. Hey, wanna drink sauce of sorrel without ginger? What can go so? I don't like that. Y'all know how I had showed you guys that I'm using this cleanser, panoxyl. Why is somebody chopping all of them? Let me show them. This is what it has done to one of my face towels. Actually not one, it's about half a dozen of them that look like this. You think it dirty? A good half a dozen of my face towels and hand towels destroyed. That I don't think that I got any kind of benefits. I don't think, like, I like it, but enough to be destroying my toes. Other than that, I'm not gonna use only whites. I don't really use whites like that because the makeup and I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Y'all, I've been so tired. I haven't picked up the camera in a week, but more than a week actually. more than a week, but like I'm battling with myself to record something, keep the streak going. But like, I didn't feel good last week. Well, last week, I don't know, I'm busy, right? And when I'm not at work, I'm tired. And then I didn't feel good on the weekend. And then this week, like I'm struggling with my eyes. Like they are, like I've been this close to the screen for extensive periods. And there's times when glasses or no glasses, my vision is blurring on me. My eyes are getting so tired. And I don't know how to like I'm trying to find a balance right now. But I just know that is something that I'm gonna have to get through in the next couple of weeks, months. Yeah, so oh, go on, I've been up to
you don't care what you're doing to me. I've been down in the ruins so deep. All the games that you played, all the love you forsaken, you let it slip away.
It is wash day and I'm going to treat my hair today, which I have not been doing as often as I should. I believe the last time I really treated my hair would have been about May last year. So at first I'm putting in this Olaplex treatment, and as usual I have to war with my hair to take in the products. You're supposed to spray it on dry hair, but my hair takes quite a while to absorb water. The first couple of sprays, it's literally just rolling off the shafts, so I kind of have to hold it in there and hope. It takes a long time for my hair to take it, and I am impatient. So yeah, I'm just going to do that. Once I get done saturating my hair, which I don't even have enough product. I have like a half a bottle of the thing, and I knew it was not enough, so I'm taking my time and trying to make it work. And then I will put on a steam cat for about 10 minutes and then come back and put in another part of the system, the bond treatment system, which is a cream type of deal. And then once I'm done with that, I will go to the shower and wash and deep condition with a hydration mask. That's just my hair for you. It takes a while to soak in the water. My wash days are getting longer and longer, and involves me spending a good 10 or 15 minutes simply letting the water penetrate my hair before I can start actually washing it.
You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. 'Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Try to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Whoa. Isn't this the good life? Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks. Citrus in our beverages. Citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. On and on it goes. Round and round. a minute. Taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes. Swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out there for a minute. Yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Keep playing my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the bleaching sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Listening to me crime. To get a little lost in everybody's business. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? I think I'm the wrong size. Not enough room for everybody's egos. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? On and on it goes. Round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute. Taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes. Swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Keep playing my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the bleaching sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. It's a good life. Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks. Citrus in our beverages. Citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering her faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Keep playing my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the bleaching sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Yeah. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Cross my heart, I never meant to hurt you. But now you're slipping through my fingers as the darkness in me lingers. Was praying for possibilities. Lately you got the best of me, yeah. You got the best of me. Embracing our insecurities. Better to cry and set us free, yeah. Oh no. We're running out of space between good and bad. Running out of words to apologize. Nothing left to say between you and I. You and I, you and I've done my part, no reason left to keep you. Let the thought of us wither. Nothing left but all our pictures. Was praying for possibilities. Lately you got the best of me, yeah. Yeah. We're running out of space between good and bad. Running out of words to apologize. Nothing left to say between you and I. You and I, you and I.
Alright, so she is. Have a little bit more movement. One thing I'm gonna do is trim my hair. No matter what, one thing I'm gonna do is trim my hair. It looks even. I want to cut off that, but not yet. Not yet. So I could, you know. I could hold on. Trim a little bit more off, not too much more off, but I feel a little better about it. There we go. It's late at night. Alright, time to clean up. Outside well bright. I'm not telling no lie. Bright. Wow. Heading to the gym. So we had like a few days of spring melt where the snow was melting. And of course, because we live where we live, it snowed on and off all week. So we're back to cold temperatures, and obviously not that cold because I'm taking my walk with nothing but my coat that is very open, but there's snow on the ground everywhere, so whew. Oh, there's somebody here.
Cross my heart, I never meant to hurt you, but now you're slipping through my fingers as the darkness in me lingers. Was praying for possibilities, lately got the best of me.
Okay.
So these
I don't know what I thought it looked like, but
well, these are just our color samples.
okay.
So this is gonna be the actual ponytail. I know it's red and it looks crazy,
Oh, okay.
but this is gonna be the actual ponytail. And then on the inside here, you're gonna have the 2 clips that you'll clip into the bun.
Okay.
So I recommend making a bun right here, and then you'll clip these guys in,
Okay.
and this guy can attach and hold, and then you'll wrap this around, and then just do bobby pins.
Okay.
So
Yeah, that will work.
And are we thinking the darker black?
Yeah. Okay.
I would try your absolute hardest to not put any gel tips right now. So
Look at that! It's an apartment.
Oh my god! This is so sad. That is just so sad.
Yeah.
Please. And I'll just take one of
All right. That's what I came here for.
I took a picture of it.
I want some saltfish. Yeah, I need some saltfish.
आया आने दो बुला दे
Do you hear that?
Mm?
Do you hear that?
Yeah, they're finally coming. Took them a little minute.
They just rushed.
I know, but we just all like a fire, guys. Like a fire. Johnny
I
cake.
feel bad for them.
I can buy myself flowers. 3. Say things you don't understand. Bold salted fish. I have no saltfish and I have no bones. So, what is?
Ooh, good catch.
Some cargo. Not cargo, but some goop. Since we're here, don't want to be saying, but them look whingy.
Them don't look that whingy.
Them look very whingy.
Them don't look that whingy.
Dun, 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 dun. Them whingy bad. Alright, so just come back from shopping and errands, and just gonna do a quick little grocery haul for you guys so you can see what I got. And these first, just because they're out of the ordinary. I got this hand towel. Remember I was telling you guys that the cleanser was bleaching my towels, so I decided I was going to get a towel, a white towel, and I got this in Superstore. Egyptian cotton, right? But wouldn't you know it that today is the day. So typically when you shop at Superstore, you get like a little gift. Like if you spend over $300, you get a gift, and they're really nice gifts. And today's gift, I've gotten like a set of, the nicest gift I've gotten, I believe, was a set of cast iron pans. And today's gift was, wouldn't you know it, a set of towels. They had whites and they had grays. So I take the set of whites, if only. Anywho, got some eggs. This is mostly like a top up. We typically get our eggs from Costco, which is a whole lot. Everything I'm about to show you came up to about $500. So this is what $500 worth of grocery looks like. Okay, So got some bananas. Got some sweet potato. Them call it yams, but we're calling it what we know it as. We've got this thing of Folgers. It's medium roast. I've learned to live with it, but I desperately miss having jablum. Like, jablum is what we had in Jamaica, and I desperately miss that. A nice silky smooth dark roast. This is a medium. It alright. It do it for do. You know, it do it for do. That's it. I don't sound like a coffee snob or nothing, but it do it for do. We've got some all-purpose unbleached flour. Don't know. Some strawberry pop tarts for the little lady. Some biscuits, whatever you want to call it, shortbread, cookies, whatever, biscuits. And then there is one of these. There's 3 of these at least. Silk. This is coffee creamer. I can't have dairy for my migraines, and because I don't have dairy because of my migraines, my body does not seem to be able to handle it anymore either. So it's that I need non-dairy options. This is oat. This one is oat. And this one, I typically get one of the Starbucks ones, the Starbucks non-dairy ones, but I'm trying something new. I'm trying something Canadian. This is Earth's Own, and it's not bad. I had, I think, French vanilla last time, and it was not bad. So I've got the salted caramel to try, although caramel is not really my thing. It's not really my thing at all. Got some milk for the young lady, the actual dairy. Like, I don't have dairy, but we're not a dairy-free house. And here's the regular silk. That's this is a staple. Even when we're trying new flavors, this one is a staple. This is the vanilla, and it's soy. Camera that the microphone is connected to was not recording. Anyway, moving on. Hopefully this sounds better now. This here is another flavor of silk that we're going to try. Tea. It's raspberry thriller. I'm gonna just take up a tea. Got some pastries. Some orange juice. Some more juice. We go through juice a lot, so it's a lot of juice. You know what I'm saying? Juice, although this is more for trying. Juice. And then also got some of these for trying as well. Them look like them taste nice. I'm gonna go inside fun. And then we got some chubbies for the little lady. Ketchup.
Thank you for calling me little lady.
Mayonnaise and candy. Alright, just one bag down. Some Pokemon cookies. Some cereal. She's really into this thing here. Some spaghetti. Some cup noodles. more juice and cup noodles. Snacks.
Yes.
Ranch dressing. Some gum. Some jasmine rice. Put these in the wash for me.
Do I just take the ribbons off or?
Just throw it in the wash. I'll deal with it later. A bag of apples. Onions. Nuggets and popcorn chicken. Straight chubby. Oh. Oh my god. Alright. Some salted crackers. These are super good to have when tummy's upset. So we try to keep one of these on hand. And then some regular cheese and crackers. Ooh. Some caramel coconut cookies. Lots of snacks. Some potato chips. I bought a lot of no-name stuff today because I could not find non-USA things. So I just bought the no-name things. Some Irish potatoes. Oh my gosh. Some popcorn for at-home movies. And this is a smoky bacon sandwich spread.
So
hopefully it tastes good. I know hubby not gonna eat it. Candy. Oy. Some Oreo. Some butter. And a stray corned beef. I don't eat canned food, so a stray corned beef for a quick dinner when the need arises. See some here.
Thank you.
Candy. Alright, so that's all the food items from Superstore. Cool. These were from the other place. So there's purifying rinse for the laundry, Listerine, lady products, body washes, baby oil, bath soap, lotion, some sunscreen, more like beauty products, some shaving removal spray, some Wonder Water that I wanted to try for my hair, cleanser to wash that face, some more bath soaps, and a feminine wash. And that's all we've got from Superstore. Okay. We also went to the Jamaican store. And that was about $100. So, zoto, saltfish, some curry, some mutton, tamarind ball, banana chips. I think there were 2 of these. This is festival mix banana chips. I've been craving the tough banana chips here. They're all banana chips. I mean, super tough. And then regular St. Mary's banana chips. Buns. More banana chips. And some juice. 1 tropical rhythm and some Shirley biscuits. And that was it from the Jamaican Superstore. And that was our groceries today. I felt like it was a lot. Did you feel like it was a lot? It felt like it was a lot to me. But I don't know. Now it doesn't feel like a lot. A little bit of lady damage at Sephora. This is the... If you're not... I said it's too long for me to say Sephora bill. I eat. Well, stuff is only on this much of it. But. Alright. So let me show you ladies what I got. Alright, so Olaplex shampoo, because the one that I had, I used the last of it last night in my hair. The shampoo still has like a half a bottle left, so that's all good. Take the day off. So this is for taking off my makeup, and it's amazing. I had a bottle one. This is a travel size of the bottle one. I had a big bottle one, and while it works, it is not nearly. I thought the other one would matter, like, you know, maybe it's better value for money because the bottle is bigger and stuff, and it was oil instead of a balm. Absolutely not. The balm takes the cake. This can do, but when I use, I find that whenever I use the oil, I still have like foundation residue, so like makeup residue on my face. With this, everything just melts off. It goes all the way off. No second guessing, none of that. So we got one of those. I don't even know how much this was. Can't be. It's like a spray thing. Sanitizer. Is that sanitizer? I just like the bottle. I'm thinking I can refill it and whatever. So I really wanted the bottle. Like I told you I was gonna do, I got my retinol. And this last, like all of these last months, I believe the last time I went was June is the last time I bought most of these things. And then I went ahead and got another small bottle of the milk exfoliant that I have been loving. It's a daily exfoliant, and it's awesome. It smells divine. So it looks like that. And then I decided I wanted to try this other daily exfoliant that they have. That's for so the milk exfoliant is for calming. It's oat based, and it's for calming. And they're powder exfoliants. Lord, that's something tight. And then this one is for brightening, and it's rice based. This one is the microfoliant, and this one is the milk foliant. Powder based cleansers. And then there's just this balm. That was it. Not even gonna tell me how much. Embarrassment. Anywho, that's all she wrote.